Need an EIN for your business but don't know where to start? In today's video, we are going over how you can easily get an employer identification number through LegalZoom. Visit LegalZoom's website. First, head over to LegalZoom.com. On their homepage, you'll find a tab for EIN registration. Click on that to begin the process. Step 2, choose the right plan. LegalZoom offers two main ways to get your EIN. Standard EIN service. The option is affordable and gets the job done. LegalZoom will handle your EIN application and file it with the IRS. EIN plus LLC formation package. If you're also forming your LLC, you can get the EIN as part of the formation package. This option bundles both services together and saves you part time. Pro tip: if you're forming an LLC corporation, it's better to choose a package that includes that EIN because it saves you from having to pay separately. Step 3 will be fill out the application. Once you select your plan, you'll need to fill out an online questionnaire. It's simple. You'll provide details about your business, including the business structure and any other required information. Step 4, LegalZoom submits the application. After you complete the questionnaire, LegalZoom submits your EIN application to the IRS on your behalf. You don't need to worry about the paperwork or filing, as LegalZoom takes care of all that. Step 5 would be receive your EIN. Once your application is processed, you will receive your EIN directly from LegalZoom. They'll either mail you or send you a physical copy, depending on your preferences. Step 6, keep your EIN safe. Your EIN is a key part of your business's identity, so be sure to store it in a secure place. You'll need it for things like opening a business bank account, filing taxes, and hiring employees. Conclusion: getting an EIN with LegalZoom is a quick and easy process. Whether you are just starting out or you're looking to expand, an EIN is essential for your business. LegalZoom handles everything so you don't have to deal with the paperwork or the IRS directly.